the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt